Well, today the bass fishing's just been horrible. We've had a lot of cold weather move in. Cold at night, getting up in the 70s during the day, but not getting any of the bigger bass to do anything. So what we decided to do is we're come out here and bottom fish with night crawlers, pieces of night crawler. Because I have caught some bluegill out here, but as you can tell, it's too windy for the kayak and not ideal weather conditions, but we're going to go around here, fish some of this deeper water and see if we can figure out where the fish are at this morning.
Oh, I think it's a bluegill.
That's a nice one too. It's like it's spiky.
Oh no, it's a little bass.
Fishing for bluegill. That's all right.
Look at that, right in the corner of the mouth.
Well, the good news is he ain't hooked him out down in his gut.
Yeah. Oh, come on. Oh, that's good. That's a better bluegill.
Yeah. See, I'm catching bluegill while you're over here messing around with bass rods. Okay. Not a monster. Not a monster.
Oh, there we go. Yep. Oh no, that's a big old bluegill.
Really?
Look at him.
Holy crap.
You want to grab him for me?
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at the size of that.
All right, you're gonna take my picture right now.
Just leave that in his mouth.
Lip him.
Yeah, you can lip him. He's big enough to lip. That's a stud right there.
It's like one that's in the Take It Bass Pro.
About as big as you'll find one in the wild. That is a stud.
Good.
All right. Well, let's lay him back in the water. Big old male. Away he goes. That was a nice fish.
That's fun. Yeah, I know, it's fine. Oh, yes, he does.
We're wearing him out now.
All right, so yeah, we found him now.
Not nearly as big as the first one.
Still fun.
Oh.
All right, so yeah, now I found where they are.
I guess he don't want it again. So I wouldn't either all slime on it. All right, I'm gonna flip this over there and see if just leaving it stationary does any good. That's where I got the hit. Let's see if I get another one.
What?
He's sitting up there in that shallow water. It might be a bass, so it is. Gotta be careful. I got 2-pound test line on here.
Let's say you're horsing him.
I'm not horsing him. He's coming to me. Easy. Just let him. Don't panic him. He'll.
Yeah.
Hey, don't grab that line.
Why not?
Because it's 2 pound test. You start pulling direct pressure without this rod.
Pull it. Yeah, they always get that last second dig every time whenever they see the boat.
A little slack here. There we go. Now, I got him on the other side of those rods. Golly, that's a big fish for this line. Hang on, I just gotta let him wear down. If I pull him too hard, he's coming off. He's getting tired, though. I can feel him turning sideways now.
Oh yeah, that's a good sized fish for your little setup. Oh wow.
It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. He's wore down now. How about that? How about that for cork fishing? With a tiny little piece of worm.
See a little spot on him?
Yeah. That's an old spot. Somebody caught him and run into something probably. Nice fish.
That's a pretty nice fish.
Yo. Yeah, that's a bad spot there. Probably got caught before and run into a log or something. All right, we didn't do an outro on the video yesterday because the wind just picked up the point. It was just impossible. We had a big storm come in last night, so we had to give it up. Fished a little while longer, didn't catch anything else, and got to the point where we really couldn't tell with that lightweight line if we were even getting bites because the wind was just blowing it all over the place. But anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.